Most of the times I feel so reluctant taking my documents to a documentation for someone else to scan them for me or to scan them to someone else. I always feel so reluctant, and I've realized a lot of people do feel the same way like me. They feel so reluctant taking their documents to a documentation because they always feel like their personal information is being shared out there. Because a lot of people are not too sure if the computers they're using to do the scan, if they keep copies of their documents in their system or not. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step procedures on how you can stay in your own house and use your iPhone to scan your documents. Okay, stay in your own house, use your phone and scan as many documents as you like, which will give you the same quality and even the best quality more than taking your documents to a documentation for them to scan it, which your information is not safe. Watch this video from beginning to end and learn how to scan your own documents and keep your information secure to yourself. Watch the video. The very first thing you need to do is to get your iPhone. When you get your iPhone, every iPhone comes with this app called Note as a default application. So every iPhone has this application called Note. You click on the application, it's going to open this way. This is the home page of the application. The next thing to do is to click on this icon at the right bottom. This menu will open up. Here you can write the title of your document. I will say how to scan documents. Here you can write the title of the document you want to scan. The next thing to do is to click on this camera button in the middle. I'll click on this camera button and this menu will pop up. There's certain things you have to take into concentration before doing this. The very first thing is make sure you are in a very good lighting environment. The second thing is make sure you use a clean cloth to clean your camera lens. Make sure you're in a good lighting environment and make sure your camera lens is clean. So from here, I will select scan document. Once I click scan document, it opens up and you can see this is my document. You see it, my camera is already capturing the document, is scanning. So when you open it up and you're in a good lighting environment, your camera will be scanning the documents by itself. You don't need to click anything or click the camera icon. No, it's just scanning the documents by itself. So I can scan as many documents as I like. I'll take this one out, bring in a new document. It will scan it. I'll take it out, bring in another new document for it to scan, and it will scan. I'll take it out just like that, just like that, just like that. After that, when you're done scanning, you click on the document. This menu will open up for you to revise your document, look at it, if it's okay or not. You see, at this point, I'm ruling to the left with my document. Now, I don't like this particular one. You see, I interrupted the document and it's not looking good. So what I will do is, if it is a particular document, let's say my folder was about 6 different type of documents, I could look for this particular document in my folder and bring it down and then click on retake. Retake at the top right corner. I will click on retake to retake that particular document. I will bring it in. Now I've interrupted the document again. So what I will do now is I will retake again, click on retake to retake the document. And now I've taken another copy again. And now this is good. Or another thing I could do is if I realize that I've taken maybe one particular copy 2 or 3 times, I want to delete. I will look for the one that I want to delete and I'll click the delete icon at the bottom. You see, it has deleted one document already. Now we have 4 out of 8. Now it has deleted another one. Now we have 7. I will look for another document again that I want to delete and delete again. Now we have 6 of 6. So what I want to do now is my documents are okay. I'm done. I will click on done at the top left corner of the phone and I'll click on save at the bottom right. When you click on done, you have to be fast because when your camera is still looking at the document, it's going to scan again. So I'll click on save. Now I'm done with my documents. I want to share the documents now to somebody. I'll click on this share icon at the top and this menu will pop up where I have so many options on where I can share my document. So I will select WhatsApp. I want to share with WhatsApp. You can share even with email and so on. Now I will share my document with WhatsApp to Bris Media. Now this is my document. It's open up. The next thing to do, I will click send. And my document has been sent to my recipient. I'll click back to go back here. Now I'll open up my WhatsApp to confirm it with you all. This is the document I just shared right now. This is the document I just shared. You see it here, how to scan documents.pdf. So it is a PDF file or a PDF folder. Most scanned documents, most people say scan the document and send to me in PDF folder or PDF as a PDF file. So this is how to do it with your mobile phone. You see my document, very clean, very nice, very easy to read and straight to the point. There is no need for you wasting money going to the cyber to scan your documents out there. You can scan your documents in your house with your mobile phone. Welcome back. I'm sure you have learned how to scan your documents by yourself. Please, if you have watched this video up to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell in order to be notified when I post another interesting video like this one. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.